Yeah. It's raining. I'm getting rained on. It's crazy. I'll have to talk about that more later. But hopefully, just having this rain jacket on over everything will do for whatever happens. And that's all we got. There's rain pants too, but that might help. All right. It stopped raining pretty quick. We're getting like mountain weather, sort of mild mountainy weather. No problem. I ain't complaining. I'm kind of bemused because of all the trouble I go to wait to hike at times when it's not even going to be overcast, much less raining. Obviously in the summer we go even though thunderstorms might come along, but it's just so early in the summer I just didn't think of it that way. Anyway, yeah, we're at this what do we call it? Here they call it a roaring brook. Be bear aware. Oh yeah, yeah. This is one of those places where they actually mention bears on the signs. And look, blue goes there and there. That's perfect, huh? Or is this white? Or oh, that's just a sign. Tungus north towards Pine Mountain Road. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's where we want to go. Ooh. This is the Roaring Brook Loop. We'll take this around. Roaring Brook Loop. Yeah, we might check that out on the way back. Oh, the raindrops are now back in a little. I just hope it doesn't mess with our view too much. The number one reason we're here, number one thing I want to see is the view. But the caves were cool. Boulders, caves, cliffs. You can see the rain hitting the pond. But anyway, it's nice here, as you can see. You know, and this point beyond the Indian Council Caves from 219 and onward toward the Pine Mountain Summit, I'm not sure how many people hike here. some, but not nearly as many as just to the caves and back, I guess. The view's certainly worth walking to once you're out here. And maybe an extra mile and a half from the caves. At most, I think. Well, we've never seen any roaring here like the roaring at our Roaring Brook back in Cheshire. But maybe that Roaring Brook loop is nice. We'll see if we have time on the way back for that. Anyway, I sure remember how perfectly sunny it was when I started out today. The whole 2 hours I drove total was absolutely perfect sunny hiking weather. From 9 to 11. And since 12:30, it's been getting worse. Now it's just a total overcast. Oh my. I kind of hope that clears up. I don't know. If it doesn't, it's still a nice hike here. More than just making the best of it, we should still have an awesome view up ahead. I am feeling the need to be bear aware right now. Just feels like not many people come through here at times like this. And there's a lot of... Oh! Look. He startled me. Alright, I'm on my way. Wow. Alright. Still gunning, quote unquote, for this Pine Mountain summit. Still hiking, still going up. Probably done at least a mile since the caves. And the sun pokes out now for us for the first time in about an hour. We'll see how it can last long, but I like the sun so much more than when it's not there. I'm happy enough on this hike, this kind of hike, when the sun's not out, I guess, but what a difference. What a difference. Well, it's like someone just shot holes in that theory. Hadn't seen a blue blaze in a while and going downhill, so I'm turning back till I see a blue blaze. See what's going on. Oh wow, that's harsh at the sign, man. You've got to make a sharp right turn here. Right? It just continues on like you were walking. And where does it say to turn? Oh, it does say to turn here very clumsily. And then you get distracted by the sign. And then you say, oh, okay, move on. You say, oh, someone shot at the sign. You know, you find yourself kind of hightailing it out that way. Nice, we get to go up more. We've gotten to go up quite a bit on this hike. And, well, headed to Pine Mountain Summit though, baby. With a lot more sunlight in the last 15 minutes. Going the wrong way only threw me off. It only took me 3 minutes to get back. Boy, still going up. It's like still going up. It's still going up. At least 1.5 miles from the caves, which were 2.2 from 219. Still going up. More and more of a feeling of nearing the end of it. Wait. This is where it was, I think. It must be out on the rocks. That was a summer view. It was a big view. This is a nice little clearing. You can dry out here. I am sweating now.